Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about how you can predict the pharmacokinetic properties of a ligand for drug designing. So for this purpose, first we will use two tools. One is pkCSM and another one is SwissADME. So for this purpose, we need smiley of a ligand. So here we will take the smiley from PubChem database. So I'm interested in flucloxacillin. So I will take the smiley of flucloxacillin. So here we need to paste the smiley and then just click on run. After this, you will see the result. This is the structure of flucloxacillin. This is the molecular properties, which include molecular weight, log p-value, rotatable bonds, number of hydrogen acceptor, hydrogen donor, surface area, as well as you have pharmacokinetic properties, which include absorption, distribution, metabolism, excretion, and toxicity level. So here you will find the value of all different properties, and then you will also find the units. So you can use this in your research article. Next, we have SwissADME. In SwissADME, we just need to paste the smiley here and then click on the run. Once you will click on the run, this tool will take some time as compared to pkCSM. pkCSM is very quick as compared to SwissADME. So here again, you can see the structure of the flucloxacillin smiley model, and then you can see the physiochemical properties. These all are the physiochemical properties. Then you have water solubility, pharmacokinetic properties, which include GI absorption, which is basically gastrointestinal absorption. Then you have BBB parameter, blood-brain barrier. Then you have whether this drug flucloxacillin is an inhibitor of CYP genes or not. CYP genes are basically metabolizing genes that metabolize a drug. Then you have drug likeness properties, whether this drug flucloxacillin is following different rules that are a standard rule for drugs. So you can check here. Then we have medicinal chemistry, which include lead linase. So these are basically the pharmacokinetic properties of a drug and some other properties as well. You can use this in your research article. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.